What are the basic principles behind avian phylogeny? Have you ever wondered how scientists figure out the relationships between different bird species? The answer lies in a fascinating field known as avian phylogeny. This study focuses on the evolutionary connections among birds, helping us understand how they are related through shared ancestry. As new genetic and physical data come to light, our knowledge of these relationships continues to grow. At the heart of avian phylogeny is the phylogenetic tree. This diagram illustrates the evolutionary paths of various bird species. By comparing DNA sequences or physical traits, researchers can identify common ancestors and their descendants. This visual representation helps clarify how different birds are connected. Taxonomy plays a key role in organizing birds into groups based on shared characteristics and evolutionary history. In avian phylogeny, taxonomy helps classify birds into families, orders, and other categories. This classification is essential for understanding the relationships among species. When constructing phylogenetic trees, scientists relying on both molecular and morphological data. Molecular data, such as DNA sequences, provide detailed information about evolutionary connections. Morphological traits, like beak shape or feather structure, offer additional clues about how species relate to one another. One of the main principles of avian phylogeny is the idea of evolutionary relationships. Birds share a common ancestor and have evolved over time through processes like mutation and natural selection. This principle helps researchers trace the lineage of different bird species. Another important concept is monophyly. A group is considered monophyletic if it includes an ancestor and all its descendants. Identifying these groups helps clarify the evolutionary relationships among birds. Homology is also significant in avian phylogeny. Homologous traits are characteristics that have evolved from a common ancestral trait, even if they serve different functions in various species. For instance, the wing of a bird and the forelimb of a mammal are homologous because they evolved from the same ancestral limb structure. Understanding avian phylogeny has practical applications as well. It can inform conservation efforts by identifying species that are closely related and may share similar ecological needs. Additionally, phylogenetic information can help explain why certain bird species exhibit similar behaviors or adaptations, such as diet preferences or migration patterns. As new phylogenetic data become available, bird classifications may change to reflect more accurate evolutionary relationships. This ensures that our understanding of bird evolution remains current and consistent. In the context of bird behavior and ecology, avian phylogeny helps explain why specific traits or behaviors are common among certain groups of birds. If a trait is widespread among closely related species, it may indicate that this trait evolved early in their shared history and has been retained due to its adaptive value. This knowledge can help researchers predict how different bird species might respond to environmental changes and how they interact with their ecosystems.